Oh, my God. This party is so boring. I would not have come if I had known it. It's our high school 50th anniversary. I am too old for this. I would better leave now. Before I find Janine. I don't feel like talking to her right now. I would better be going.
Marcus Hamilton. I can't believe it's you. I was wondering why I had not seen you.
Janine. I thought that you would have left the party before midnight as usual.
What are you talking about? It's still early. Did you come alone or with your wife?
I would have come with my wife, but she had to stay at home taking care of our children.
I see. Does she know I was going to be here at this party?
I would not have come if she had known, and you know why that is. I did not tell her.
So, she does not know you came here to meet your ex-girlfriend? Bad, Marcus. Very bad.
Well, it was many years ago, Janine. We used to be together in high school, remember?
Of course I remember. I would not have mentioned that if I had not remembered. Don't you think?
Anyway, why do not we go for some drinks to the bar? I think I saw it over there. Would you like it?
Sure. Why not? I would not have come if I did not want to drink anything.
So, they could not have chosen a better place to make this party, right? Do you remember it?
You are right. We had our prom party here many years ago.
Yeah. They should have chosen another place because this brings back a lot of memories.
Like you and me being boyfriend and girlfriend, right? Those were good times. I think so.
You think so? I am sure they were the best years of our lives. Am I right?
Well, for you. It would have been perfect if you had not made so many mistakes.
What are you talking about? Everything was perfect until you broke up with me, Janine.
Yeah, but I would not have broken up with you if you had not done those things, Marcus.
Oh, come on. Admit it. You should not have broken up with me. Just admit it.
Yeah, but I would not have broken up with you if you had not done those things, Marcus.
Bad things? Like what? Remind me what bad things I did, please.
Seriously? Do you want to talk about that right now? I think we should not.
No, you should not have mentioned that if you did not want to talk about that topic.
Well, we are adults. I think we can talk about that now. We are mature enough.
Of course. I am married now. I could not have gotten married if I were not. Of course. I am married now. I could not have gotten married if I were not. Of course I remember. It used to be the school conference room. And we could not have found this place if it were not for Peter. Oh, that Peter. Do you remember him? We used to be best friends in high school. He was a good friend.
Yeah, he was such a good friend that he started flirting with me while I was your girlfriend.
Do not start, please. I know he should not have done something like that, but he was sorry.
Yeah? Okay. If you say so. Just remember I told you and you did not believe me.
Oh, come on. Are you still talking about that? I should not have mentioned that.
Look, I don't want to fight. I came here to have fun and I just accepted to drink something with you. Because that happened many years ago and we are adults now. I have already told you.
Yeah, whatever. Changing the topic as usual. Maybe you do not want me to mention that moment when you cheated on me with my best friend. I still remember that.
What? What are you talking about? You are joking, are not you?
I am not joking. If you had not cheated on me, we would have been a couple for many years. But no. You decided you liked my best friend. You chose him over me. We could have been very happy, Janine, but you did not want to accept you had made a mistake. You seduced him and then you lied to me saying he was flirting with you. Cheater. Cheater and liar. That's who you are. We should not have broken up and you knew it. You not only cheated on me with Peter, you also lied to me and I cannot forgive you. You should not have done that. Admit it. You could have been very happy with me. We could have married, had children, lived in a beautiful house near the beach.
Stop it. Are you okay, Marcus? I think you have drunk too much. I think you need to go home, Marcus. Should I call a taxi for you?
I do not need anything from you. You should not have done that to me. Admit it.
What are you talking about? I had just told you he was flirting with me. I did nothing. What's more, I told you he was calling me and you never listened to me. You thought I was lying. You did not tell him anything. If you had told him something, we would not have broken up. But I don't understand why you are bringing that up now. It happened many years ago. Well, I see. You have not matured at all. You are still that prepotent and moody man I met in high school. You did things wrong and you did not want to accept them. And for the record, I would have broken up with you anyway because you are an idiot. I am leaving now. My boyfriend is coming to take me home. Goodbye, Marcus.
You have a boyfriend? You are cheating on me again? Why, Janine, why? Why did you do it? We were supposed to be together and now I am married to a woman I do not love. All because of you. If you had not lied to me, we would have been very, very happy. Now, you have a boyfriend. I see you have forgotten everything. All our memories. What was I to you? Was I just a simple boyfriend? Just a toy you could play with? I need you to explain me that right now. Janine, do not leave me again, please. We can still be happy together. Do you still love me? Tell me. Do you love me?
I see you are totally drunk and… How dare you say those things? You are married. If I had known you were still a child, I would not have accepted drinking with you. And some advice, if you don't love your wife, please tell her the truth. She deserves to be happy. Goodbye, Marcus. I hope you can be happy someday. Good luck.
You are not gonna tell me what to do. You cheated on me with my best friend. Oh, what the hell? I don't need you to be happy. I have a perfect life.